This is some Tennessee Pride sausage. This is a hot sausage that I pinched off into like bite-sized pieces. And I'm rendering it on a medium heat. Let all those natural fats come out. Because then this is what I'm going to add our veggies to for our cornbread stuffing. As enough of the fat starts rendering, just take a fork and start turning it. You'll see that sausage is getting nice and brown. Continue cooking the sausage until it is completely cooked through. Now that the sausage is completely cooked, I'm going to add all my veggies. I added about a cup each of chopped celery, some onions, bell peppers, and I have some chopped tomatoes as well. And we're going to give this a good stir, mix everything together. Saute the sausage and the veggies for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then also taste it, and if you need to, add a little bit of salt, kosher salt, and coarse ground black pepper to taste. After sauteing for about 2 to 3 minutes, I'm removing the pot from the heat, and it's at this point that I'm going to add my chopped apples and chopped parsley. My reason for adding the parsley and the apples at the last minute is because I'm doing this in advance, so I'm going to stick this in the refrigerator once it cools down. Then when we're getting ready to serve, I'm going to put the cornbread in and stir that up, and that will be our cornbread stuffing.